Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, designer of the Paulk Workbench. I'm going to continue on with designing the awesome rolling toolbox in SketchUp. But before I do that, a moment for some shameless plugs. If you like these videos and you want to see more of them, please like them and subscribe to my YouTube channel. On the channel, you'll be able to find all of my videos, getting close to 80 now, and also you'll be able to see the playlist, so the series of the awesome rolling toolbox or building the Paulk Total Station. And one more thing, if you are interested in the Paulk Workbench plans, the Total Station plans, miter stand, or any of the packages, you can find them at on my Paulk Homes website, and I'll put a link directly into the Paulk Homes store at the bottom of this video description. Okay, so now we're getting close. All of the drawers, the toolboxes with drawers, are designed on both sides. Now we're going to start filling in some of the other stuff. The long 8-foot drawers that I have here, I'm not going to redesign those. I am going to modify them a little bit. There's no need for me to have all of this wood creating this space over here the way I did in the mobile wood shop. I'm going to design just this part of it out here to support the front edge of these toolboxes, and then they will be attached back to the wall through the plywood and the studs with long screws. So again, I'll save some wood, and I'll actually open up 1.5 inches space top and bottom, and then 3/4 on the side. Get rid of this side. And I think for sake of ease of design, I don't need it to run through this way, so I think I will go ahead and just delete the top and the bottom, and I will bring them down 3/4 inch, 0.75. Then I will take that, push pull, put a line to go to, red direction, move, copy, take it to the other side in the red direction, the S key for scale, go that way, -1, enter. Take the R key for rectangle, come out here on that point to that point, double click. All this should be pretty common to everybody now. A lot of the same tools, a lot of the same techniques. Push pull 0.75, enter, move, Alter Option key for copy, take it to the bottom, just right down that edge, hold the Shift key, click right on there, take the bucket tool, it already has the material loaded I want, click on it, grab the M key for move, grab this point right there, put it right back where it goes. All right, so made quick work of that, and that gives me a free space here. I don't have to do any work or use any material to create this space. Now this is just blocking. You'll notice there's an inset here that I did just so that I could recognize where the opening would be. And I'll show you how I did that. So this would have been the blocking in just a cube that would have represented the shape and size of that cabinet. And because I wanted the face of it to be pushed back in, all I did was double click, or get it, open the group, double click, click in there, and that connects the surface. When I click once, I get the surface, double click, I get the surface and its bounding edges. Then I'm going to get rid of the surface being selected, and I just held down the Shift key, and it gave me the plus minus. I clicked on it, so now I just have the bounding edges selected. And I'm going to grab this tool here, which is the F key, the offset tool. So I hit the F. All I got to do is grab on that and come in, type in 0.75, enter. Then I've separated that surface, push pull, and push it back in as far as I want. All right, and by pushing it back there now without really creating any detail, so I was able to detail this box up, and that's all I'd really need. I could hit the bucket tool, click on it, and now it looks how I'd want it to look. But if I want to be able to separate out the parts and pieces later to, say do a material takeoff or to do dimensioning and figure out exactly how to build it. So I'm back to my cube. So now to make this cube, this is pretty straightforward. I'm going to take the rectangle tool, just click end to end there, double click, right click, make group, get into the group, highlight the surface, push pull, 0.75, enter. Then I'm going to take it, move key, move tool, grab the bottom corner, put it there, tap the option key again, grab the top corner and put it there. So I've created the top and the bottom. Get rid of that surface. So if I hit the rectangle tool, start on this corner, come up to this corner, double click on it, right click, make group, orient it around, double click, push pull, 0.75, enter. And I want this outside corner to go to this outside corner. So 3.5, enter. Rectangle tool, grab right there to there, double click, make group, double click, get in the group, push pull, 0.75, enter. Then I'll grab it, move tool right on the corner there, put it in, hit the Alt or Option key to get the plus, grab this corner, orbit it around, select everything, make group, bucket tool, and there you have it. So all I need to do now is spin it around, hit the M key for move, just rotate it around 180 degrees. I want to put it right back where it was, so I'll grab the move tool, M key, grab that corner, okay, on the right side, you can see here I have made a component here, a cabinet that it holds my viewtainers, the tall ones and the short ones, and it also holds my levels on this side. So I've created this framework all out of 3/4 plywood, actually some 1/2 plywood as well. I've skinned the back of it with 1/4 inch. Then using 1/2 or 3/4 plywood, I've created these shelves, these ledges that go through to hold the levels, and a couple of my tracks. And then I've used a 1/2 piece of plywood to bolster this up, and then it's got a 3/4 top. Put this back to where it goes. And this garage, which I have had in my last trailer and my truck, takes a bunch of plywood, a couple of sheets on the side and almost a whole sheet on the top and bottom and the back. At this point, I can delete it. I don't need it. I've created, just like I did on the other side, I've created this garage space with this support here and then this box that I'm going to build up above, and that will be attached back to the wall with screws through the plywood and into the aluminum studs. And that actually gives me a little bit more usable space and zero material and zero time. So working this out in SketchUp, that alone saved me probably 2.5 sheets of 3/4 plywood at about $35 a sheet. So you can see how planning can not only save you a lot of time, but save you a lot of money. Hopefully you've picked up something here. If nothing else, a little repetition. So thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.